tracker from Tombstone's at my place. I'll drop it at Dr. Octavius' lab. Let you know what I find on Delaney.
Captain Watanabe gave me her cell number when she finally decided to trust me. She's risking a lot. Demons. Are you guys terrorists or criminals? Because I can't keep it straight.
蜘蛛侠，你们能在圣人亭扶住我们，那现在也一样。把他夺下来！把手榴弹了！长枪变成多少
Message from Doc.
Sorry to call so late. My mind's bursting with ideas. We've been thinking too small, Peter. Why replace missing limbs with facsimiles when we can improve upon them? People who've lost an arm understandably want it back, but we can give them something better. The human body doesn't need to be our default. We can go so far beyond it. Just some thoughts to conjure with.
Doc's really giving it both barrels. Hope he doesn't burn himself out.
Hey, do you have time to check something out for me?
No, but if you ask nicely.
Just got a call about a suspicious-looking box on a rooftop in Hell's Kitchen. I could call in the bomb squad, but it's just some kid's science project.
Yeah, I know. Budget crisis. Yada yada yada. So?
Will you please check it out?
There's the magic word. I hope it's some kid's science project. Man, I miss those days. School projects are so much easier than real-life projects. No need to thank me, Sable dudes. Although it's kind of rude you didn't.
This is Sable Control. Do we have an update on the situation in Clinton? Control, our APC is under attack by demons.
Looks military grade. Weird.
Spider-Man, so you found one of my recon points.
Who is this?
Wrong question. The correct one is, can you stop the bombs I've planted?
Mystery Man's got recon points spread all over the city. This computer's tracking bombs around the district, and they're about to go off. I gotta move. Gotta be quick. Bombs could go off any second. Lucky no one was hurt. I should web him up.
Subway's that way.
Should have webbed it up first. That blast was too big for comfort. Ten seconds. Could have done better.
Nice work with the bombs, but you put to your throat too much. Hurts the accuracy.
Is this some kind of sick game to you?
Games are for kids, and I'm a professional, and I get paid like it.
Guess your client wasted their money.
Sometimes information's worth more than money, and I've learned plenty watching you.
MJ, what did you find out about Isaac Delaney?
Check out the picture I just sent.
Which one is Delaney?
I don't know. Guess you'll have to go to the party to find out.
Good thing I already have a costume.
Spider-Man, thank God. Demons have rigged explosives all over the building, but we can't get close.
Point me at him, officer. I'm here to help.
We've located the primary device. If you can disable it, it'll cough up an arming key. You can use that to locate and disable the secondary devices.
Got it. Keep your men back. I'll radio when it's clear. Hey, does that thing get podcast?
我们大手准备，有人被他打到了。你们会总结一切。
Okay, safe to disarm the primary device. Bad time to get sweaty palms. Did it.
We need you, Spider-Man. Those bombs will destroy the whole block.
Missed a call from Aunt May.
Peter, I spoke to Miles's mother, and she loved the idea of him working here. Oh, the poor woman's grieving herself while trying to be strong for her son. She needs some time to just grieve, and he needs to see that life's still worth living. That was a very thoughtful suggestion, Peter. The kind that would have made Ben proud.
Turns into a massacre. I'm sure you do, tough stuff. Another day, another dozen crazy dudes in masks sent to prison.
All units, witnesses are reporting a mugging. Additional officers requested near Flatiron.
Muggers never take a day off. Who wants a picture?
Oh no! Spider-Man! Let us down, Spidey!
no more muggers. Ah, I love a happy ending.
Thank you.
Making me nervous, Spider-Man.
Should you just be...
Halloween party. Guess I don't have to change. Delaney's dressed as one of my greatest foes. Let's find out which one.
Why you guys gotta be so nasty?
I just tried to Everyone's in costume. My people. Dr. Delaney is here somewhere. I have to find him before Lee does.
Look at us! Spider Bros!
I don't get it. Who are you supposed to be?
Check out my moves!
The job offer in Delaware came through.
There's no Broadway in Delaware, no culture.
Now there's a guy who puts in the effort.
Excuse me, are you Dr. Delaney?
Ah, Spider-Man, my nemesis. You won't catch me this time.
Oh no, smoke. Whatever will I do?
This is the end for you, Spider-Man. Which one is the real me? Now I have you.
Hey, what's wrong with you? I worked on that helmet for a week.
I need to find Dr. Delaney.
He's out in the party somewhere. Who are you?
I'm your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
Smartass. Looks okay, I guess. Gotta crack it. Probably just buff that out.
Eat, my little children! Let me hear you scream!
That guy throwing down candy could be Dr. Delaney. Gotta find a way up there.
Got some.
Hey! Over here!
Some for you! Some for you! Some for you!
I'm looking for Isaac Delaney.
I think he's on the dance floor. There he is! The lizard in the lab coat.
Got some.
Hey, look, it's Spider-Boy! Isn't someone of your nemesises? We gotta fight!
Maybe later.
Oh, what's the matter, Spider-Wimp? You afraid of my mighty horn?
Hey, who? What are you? Come on! Hey! Fight!
Kick his ass, Spider-Man!
What the hell? Oh, snap!
What do you want?
it easy. Just tell me what you want.
This is a joke, right? Those aren't real guns.
Back, now!
Let him go! Keep your head down!
Oh my god! Don't kill
Everybody okay?